show that del square into A dot B by R is equal to 0. Now to show this, we consider LHS as del square into A dot B by R, and A dot B is a scalar quantity as well as R is a scalar quantity, so whole becomes scalar quantity. So this scalar quantity we can denote by f of R, because this is in terms of R, that's why we denote it as f of R. So del square of f of R. Now f of R is equal to, it is A dot B divided by R. So we can find out its f dash of R. F dash of R means A dot B is constant. Derivative of 1 by R with respect to R is minus 1 upon R square. And F double dash of R means this minus of 1 by R square derivative is 2 by R cube. A dot B remain as it is. Now why we have find out this f of R, f dash of R, f double dash of R? Because we want to find out here del we want to find out here del square of A dot B by R. Now to find out this del square of A dot B by R, we have one property which is del square of f of R is equal to del square of f of R is equal to f double dash of R plus 2 by R f dash of R. Now f double dash of R we have already find out, it is 2 times A dot B by R cube, and plus this 2 by R remain as it is minus of f dash of R is minus of A dot B by R square. So it becomes 2 by R cube A dot B and minus of 2 by R cube A dot B. So it is equal to 0. Hence we get the result del square of A dot B by R, it is equal to 0. Now next example is show that del to the power 4 of R square into log of R is equal to 6 upon R square. Now again we are using same property, f double dash of R, del square of f of R, it is equal to f double dash of R plus 2 by R into f dash of R. But here we have del to the power 4. So we can write this del to the power 4 as del square of del square. So del square of del square become del to the power 4. So del square I have written outside, del square of R square into log of R. Now if we get del square of R square into log of R, we can find out again del square of into this quantity. So del square of f of R. Now we denote this R square into log of R by f of R. So f of R is R square into log of R. What is it? Sub dash of R. We have two terms in R, so we have to use here product rule, R square into log of R. So R square as it is, derivative of log of R is 1 by R plus 2R, derivative of R square is 2R into log of R. So it is equal to R square by R is R and 2R log of R remain as it is. So f double dash of R now. This is f dash of R. F double dash of R means again find out derivative of this f dash of R with respect to R. So derivative of R is 1 plus 2 multiplied by again R into log of R here. So we have to use here product rule. 2R into log of R. So 2 as it is, derivative of R is 1 multiplied by log of R. So 2 log of R, derivative of R is equal to 1 plus log 2R as it is, derivative of log of R is 1 by R. So it is equal to 2R get cancelled, 2 plus 1, it is equal to 3 plus 2 into log of R. Now del square of f of R, we have one result which is equal to f double dash of R plus 2 by R f dash of R. Now we are substituting here both the values. F double dash of R is 3 plus 2 log R plus 2 by R times f dash of R is R plus 2R log of R. Now it is equal to 3 plus 2 log of R, multiply this whole bracket by 2 by R. So it is 2 plus 4 log of R. Now 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 6 log of R. So del square of R square log of R is 5 plus 6 log of R. But what we want? We want del to the power 4 of del to the power 4 of R square into log of R. But we got only del square of R square into log of R. So one more del square is remaining. So del square of R square into log of R, it is equal to del square of Now if we operate del square on both side here, we will get here on left hand side del to the power 4. On right hand side we get del square of 5 plus 6 log of r. Again we want to use same property, that is del square of f of r is equal to f double dash of r plus 2 by r into f dash of r. So what is our f of r now? F of r is our 5 plus 6 into log of r. So now we denote that 5 plus 6 into log of r by g of r. G of r we denote as 5 plus 6 log r. Now we want g dash of r. G dash of r means derivative of this 5 is 0 and 6 log r derivative is 6 by r. Then g double dash of r. G double dash of r means derivative of 5 is 0 and derivative of the 6 by r, which is minus of 6 by r square. So by using that property del square of g of r, it is equal to g double dash of r plus 2 by r into g dash of r. So del square of 5 plus 6 into log of r, it is equal to minus of 6 upon r square plus 2 by r into 6 by r, which is equal to 6 upon r square. So del to the power 4 of r square into log of r, which is equal to del square of 5 plus 6 log of r. Answer is 6 by r square. Thank you.